Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 12 in Alternative Energy Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 312. The question asks how many different major home heating appliances, furnaces or stoves or fireplaces or whatever, can you safely vent into a single chimney? Well, this is a little bit of a trick question because a chimney can have more than one flue. Now, the flue is the actual passageway that goes up through the chimney and out usually through the roof. And a chimney can have more than one flue, so I have made a little diagram that shows an example of a chimney with two flues. One flue goes to a fireplace in the living room. The other flue goes to a gas furnace in the basement. Well, this chimney has two flues and can therefore vent up to two different major appliances. Up to two, and if it had three flues, it could vent up to three. So it depends upon how many flues the chimney has. Flue, F-L-U-E, that is the passageway through the chimney that goes up and lets the gases or hot air or smoke or whatever out. Hopefully not too much hot air will go up there. But it depends on how many flues the chimney has. You can only vent one appliance safely into each flue. So the correct choice to this question is choice B. We can't vent more than one appliance into this flue. We can't safely vent more than one appliance into this flue. I recall when I first purchased a particular piece of property, there was a gas furnace going through a flue and up to a vent on the roof, and this chimney only had one flue, and there was also a wood stove that was being vented into that same flue. My insurance company told me that unless I changed that situation, they would not insure the house, because it was a dangerous state of affairs to vent more than one appliance into the same flue. So what I ultimately ended up doing was installing a new gas furnace which vented out the side of the house, and then the single flue chimney was dedicated entirely to the wood stove, and that has worked out very nicely. But again, you cannot safely vent more than one appliance into a single chimney flue, but if the chimney has multiple flues, you can vent as many appliances through it as there are flues in the chimney. So again, the correct choice is B. This is an important question because ignoring this caveat and venting more than one appliance into a single flue is a dangerous practice, and I would strongly recommend that if you have a house that does that right now, you change that situation immediately before you wish that you had.